Hey everybody, and welcome back to Chris Techfur. So I'm kind of in a different environment, mixing it up, and I just kind of want to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, right? Because everybody always asks that question. I did in another video, equipment that you could use or need. That video's gonna be right there. You guys can click on that card and that will take you to what equipment you should use or need and possibly need for your YouTube channel. But into this video, I'm gonna be basically saying the right way to grow your YouTube channel because I see a lot of people doing it the wrong way and it's really bothering me. So I'm gonna talk about a few things that I know you have to do to grow a YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, I'm Chris. This is Chris Techfur. I have another channel with my girlfriend. I'm kind of off of her channel now. I did my own thing, but that channel is in the description below. You can go see some of our work, what we've done together. She's continuing to work that channel. Into channels, right, and how to grow. My first tip that I highly suggest you guys do is make a good title. Make a title that is actually searchable. Think of the number one thing you would type in the YouTube search bar to find this video. Tags, yes, there are basically like 10 other titles for the video, but they don't have the same power as that title. If you put a good title, you will get that video found. I promise you, I had no subscribers and I was still getting views on my first video because of how well I titled it. Thumbnail though, everyone says thumbnail, and that's my number 2 tip. Like, I know these are very basic, but I'm gonna tell you how these tie in and what I've learned. Thumbnail is also very crucial. It's almost like your title. Whatever you put in a thumbnail doesn't come up in the search bar of YouTube. The way you want to do this is make it a duo. Make it a tag team duo. I can show you from Your Favorite Blonde, that channel, we have a couple really good duos. Another thing I want to talk about for a tip is Instagram, okay? If you guys aren't using Instagram, you need to start using Instagram. I never used Instagram in the beginning, but we started really promoting our stuff on Instagram and we found a lot of people through that. Just use about 10 or 15, 20 hashtags that relate to your video or whatever, like small YouTuber hashtag YouTube channel, all those things. You get people that like that post, they come check you out. I'm not talking a whole lot of views, but it gets you out there. Another thing is Google Ads. Google Ads is something I messed with 3 times now. I've done 3 different campaigns. I truly recommend you taking it very slow in the first couple campaigns. I think my first campaign was like $35 and my second was like $10, and it took both of those until I really learned how to tune it in and get my targeted audience without wasting any dime. Don't do that right away. Make sure you have content to bring people there. You need to make content. That rolls into my next thing, putting up consistent content. This is everything, guys. When we started putting up a video to 2 videos a week, it changed the game, okay? When we were just posting once every 2 or 3 weeks, oh, it was like we would get 30 views, you know, on a video. Now we got up to like 60 views instantly. Highly recommend you guys posting once or twice a week. I know it's a lot of work, but you know, everybody always says, oh, I put so much work into my YouTube channel. Oh, I've done this. Oh, I've done that. I've done titles. I've done thumbnails. They're always complaining about how much they've done. Sub for sub, please, I need help. I need to buy subscribers. Don't do these things. Let me explain to you something. Every YouTuber that you want to be, that you aspire to be, has been where you are. They've already been where you are right now. Not just an overnight thing. I don't care if you do every step I say in this video perfectly for 1 video, it's not gonna do it. If you do it for 100 videos, you're gonna get there, I promise. My final tip I think I'm gonna leave this video with is don't be afraid of your YouTube channel, okay? Really, a lot of people aren't willing to put everything they have into YouTube. They cut themselves short somewhere. To make it on YouTube, you have to be working harder than the next guy. Just give it your all, everybody. Like, you can do this. I promise you, you can do this. I've been working so hard on this. Amanda's been working hard on this. I'm not gonna give out a little backstory because I don't, you know, this video isn't about that. It's about you guys. It's not about us. But all I can say is I've dedicated everything I've ever had to YouTube. So anyways, guys, that's my little video on what you should do to make your YouTube channel better. If you could just leave a like, that means the most to me because that lets somebody else see this video that does need the help, that does need these tips. It gets it up in the search results. So if you could just leave a like, I would appreciate it deeply. And if you want to subscribe, totally up to you. I'm just here making videos to help others. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.